Here I have Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first let's open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, languages, audio keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of the available keyboard languages. So let's pick, for example, I don't know, maybe Greek, and tap done. And now let's try to write something in Greek language. Can I search? Okay. So by tapping on this globus icon, you can switch languages. And as you can see right now, I have this Greek layout here on my keyboard. Unbelievable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.